Hey guys, welcome back to the Foodie Asyraf YouTube channel. Today we're trying Juicy Lucy from Burger Factory, which has cheese inside the burger patty itself. And we are also trying the onion rings. So let's find out how it tastes like. Alright, so let's get started straight into it with the burger. It's a bit messy. I got the lettuce, tomatoes, onions, and I got barbecue sauce and ketchup, and also the factory sauce. So the bun looks good. It has the sesame seeds. It looks premium. You can see the patty there. It's a bit in there, but you can see it sort of. And there should be cheese in there. Let's dig straight into it. First bite, didn't get the cheese yet. So I got a second bite out of it, and I found the cheese inside. It's really good. You taste the cheese, and everything mixes really well together. The patty is cooked perfectly. There's a little bit of grill marks, which is good. There's a little bit of crispiness. The factory sauce and with the barbecue sauce and with the ketchup together is just an amazing combo. And the tomatoes and the onions add an extra crunch. The burger itself is a bit messy. It's dripping out a little bit, but you can see that cheese coming out. It adds a little bit of filling to the burger itself. I like it. I would definitely eat this again, but this, all it's missing is just a bit of spice. I didn't add any sriracha or the jalapenos, but it's really good. So for the burgers, I think I'd rate it around like a 9 out of 10 because it's just a really good combo of everything, and it's not too filling. The patty itself, the beef patty itself, is really good, and I think it's a really original burger, like with cheese, but not in the traditional way with cheese on top, but it's inside, and then the lettuce, tomatoes, onions, just classic, and then there's the ketchup and the burger buns. Delicious. It's really soft, and yeah. Now let's try the onion rings. So it looks really crispy. There you can have a little close up. There's not too much, but let's test it out. Oh, it's really good. So basically the onion is cut really thinly, and I think this is homemade. It's not like some frozen, but the flour is good. The onion is really thin, and in general the batter is also thin, so it's really crispy. I think I'll give it an 8 out of 10. It's a pretty classic onion ring. It's delicious, crispy. Anyways, that wraps it up for today's video on the Burger Factory Cheesy Lucy Burger and also the onion rings. You can subscribe right there or see my latest video right there. This is Asyraf signing out. Peace.